Hello guys, good evening from Kenya, Africa. Yeah, so yes.
My episode.
Hey.
Start.
Hey.
Guys, my name is Mayugno. I'm Rindima for sehemu haujaanza.
Iko on. Yeah. So Mayugno is here, is already Rindima for press.
I'm Rindima for sehemu like German.
Yes.
I'm going town. Border, I'm going to change take jacket because weather is changed.
Yes.
So I'm going to take jacket. I'm back in the war.
Yes.
Like German.
Yeah. So
no
guys.
problem. Guys, go check me on my YouTube channel. I am Mayugno.
Teaching me motorbike.
Yes.
You know.
I'm teaching Nasto motorbike. Yeah.
No problem.
Yes.
To driving.
Yes.
Because my brothers don't understand to drive it. So the first time is use motorbike.
Yes.
Imagine.
Yes.
No problem.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Na wewe subscribe kwenye pikiri. Ngoja ni wapi?
So guys,
we are learning.
Yeah.
Motorbike.
I'm trying to teach a Nasto motorbike because sometimes we can go far and maybe I'm feeling bad or maybe something happens and I'm the only one to ride the motorbike. So today I want him to do it himself. So he's carrying me from here. Yeah.
Or maybe one day I can own mine. Yeah.
Yes.
So I don't hire driver.
Yeah. So Nasto.
Yes.
Kick.
The kick.
Yeah. Yes, you have to be hard. Okay. The gears, you take gear number 1 goes down. Yeah. And the free, it's between number 1 and number 2.
1 and number 2.
So number 2 is up. Yeah. So from here, you go up.
So I leave the.
Yeah. You leave the clutch slowly and balance the petrol. Yeah. The accelerator.
Hold tight.
Yeah, accelerator. Slowly. Yeah. Yes.
Like that.
Like that. So make sure you balance. Yeah. And then up. Yes. Up. And when you get it struggling to maybe go, you bring the gears down.
Okay, so this is how it feels to be riding a motorbike.
Yeah.
It's like riding a bicycle, but now you have to balance.
Yeah, balance
For me,
the accelerator
Yeah.
and the clutch.
For me, I really don't like motorbikes. I don't know why. But they're not my thing. Maybe I will learn when I learn this.
You want a car?
No, maybe I will now start loving the
So pull the clutch in and put the gear down. One. Yes. Like that.
Wow. So kindly guys, subscribe to Magic YouTube channel.
Yeah.
My name is Nasto. I also have a channel. So we are learning
Motorbike riding.
So tell us on the comment section guys, which mode of transport do you prefer?
Yeah.
Or which one do you use in your place? It's my first time actually learning how to ride it. So maybe after this I will join the driving even for a car. Even for a car I don't know how to. Yes.
I know you don't.
Yeah, for sure. I will try my best and learn this.
No.
Down.
Put it down first. Yeah. It has to beat before you put the gear up. So accelerate. Put it. Go. Yeah. Now you see.
There was a time I tried riding a car, a manual. I just slept. It's very, very hard.
Yeah.
Very hard.
But I see you're trying.
I'm trying.
Take it down because we are on a hill here. Take it down. Yeah. Take it down.
Nice. very bad roads. Let me show them the road.
Wow, guys, let me show you the roads here.
Very bad road. Very poor. So this is the kind of road I'm riding in. Very poor, very
Yeah.
and some parts of the road is grass, some is road, so it's very tricky.
Yeah, make sure you balance.
Just go with gear 1.
Yeah, just go that way. Then I'll show you how it is. So guys, the reason why I decided to give Nasto the bike on this road, you learn even more. You be harder on bad roads. So when you go to soft roads, you're
easier.
perfect. Yeah, it's easier. Yeah. No, that's good. Okay, accelerate. Okay, change up. Yeah, change up. Nice, nice.
Thank you for this. Actually, I'm learning. I've never been a fan of riding motorbike because of the accidents that happen every day.
No, I think you have to be careful, and you can see it's soft right now. Yeah, very soft.
I'm trying my best to learn this.
Very soft and easy. Yeah. I'll do it.
How indicator on this bike? You just indicate using your hands. This road is much better. We have enough gas.
Here it's much better.
Now we can't go far because it might go off and then we end up pushing. So
Yes, this road is good. This is easy. Yeah, the reason why I wanted you to be there, I wanted you to be hard.
we go up or down.
Down. That's it. Okay. Pull the clutch, go with brake, slowly, go this side. Yeah, reduce the gears down, go this side, I say. No. Okay, it's okay. Reduce the gears.
So in a hard places you go with gear 1.
Yeah, gear 1, gear 2. So when it's hard, you pull it for this bike. When it's hard, you pull it down.
Down to gear 1.
Yeah, gear 1, gear 2. Okay. Change upwards.
Gears are very
No, you have to accelerate.
to make the gears of
Yeah.
motorcycle. First time doing this. Not a fan. I only go for very short distance. I used to go, but I've never been fan of motorcycle. So I accelerate and then I add more gear.
Yes.
So when you
That's it,
accelerate,
yeah.
it becomes soft.
Yeah.
That way, higher. Becomes soft when you accelerate.
Yeah.
I didn't know about that.
So, and when you are at the junction, you reduce the speed, then you look upwards. Upwards. If a car is coming, don't go. Not coming, you go. Just look up. If a car is coming. Very smooth.
Now I'm changing the gears on my road.
just go past there. Just go down. We want to get it.
Tunajifunza hapa.
Yeah. So reduce the gears. Slowly with the brakes. Slowly. On the brakes.
So today's lesson ends here.
So Nasto is afraid to go
Because
down
we have
there.
a very bad place down there.
Yeah.
I don't want to fall in the... Or I nishtue.
No. No. You want us to swim again? Yeah.
Okay,
So guys, okay, let me show you I want to show Nasto the lessons about the bike.
Yes.
From the clutch and everything. So stay tuned.
Yes.
Yes. Ngoja ni park. So guys, Nasto.
Yes.
Before you start a motorbike,
Yes.
so you know the key.
Yeah, I know the key.
Yeah. You put it this way. On. That is normal.
Yes.
And that I believe you know.
What is the function of this other key?
This other key is for the tank.
For the tank.
Yeah, for the tank. This one for the ignition. Yeah. So after here, you come inside.
Come here.
Yes. So if the bike is on maybe number 1, number 2, because it can go off at number 1 or number 2 or number 3, you reduce the gear until the end.
Till the end.
Till the end. Then you put it up like that. That is free. Then you see, this is the like you say this is the. So Nasto,
Yes.
after sitting here,
Yes.
let me show you.
I step.
Yeah. Step. That's it. So the motorbike is on. This is the front brake. Yeah. Front brake. This one is the back brake. This one. Yeah. And
And it's on here.
hmm?
You can't go while it's on a stand.
Yeah. So this is
Brake.
this is like the
Ignition.
ignition.
Or you can use the one here. But it's spoiled.
Yeah. No, this doesn't have the. It should be here,
I didn't have.
but it doesn't have. And these, they are indicators.
Indicator for right and the left.
This is the lights.
Where? This one.
Yeah, you pull it this way. That is the light. And this are the sun. Yeah.
Never knew that.
This is the
Full light.
Yeah.
In,
Yeah.
then dim.
Yeah. So that's it. So next time,
Thank you for the lesson.
next time when we are stuck and I can't ride the bike, it's you to ride that. So guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We don't take that for granted. May God bless you abundantly. Subscribe, watch our video till the end. Don't skip the ads. And also subscribe to my brother here.
Subscribe to my channel. It was really good learning all this. Sometimes I see people flashing lights, sometimes I see them dimming lights, and I don't know where it comes from. I've learned a very good thing. Yeah. So kindly subscribe to Maja KD. And my name is Nasto. I also have a channel. Subscribe to my channel. And, see you in our next